Welcome to my channel. Today you'll see class 9 NCRT chapter number 1 number system exercise 1.2 third Roman. So show how root 5 can be represented on the number line. So we need to represent this in root 5 in the number line. For that first we need to draw the number line first. Okay, so I'm taking on small scale. Through that I'm going to draw the number line. Okay, first I'm drawing one straight line. Yes, I got a straight line. So this is going on both side ray I'm giving because number lines and likewise we need to send. And first I'm giving positive only we need now, so that 0 this side and this side should be negative value and this side should be positive value we need to write. Okay, here I mentioned the dots. Okay, this is minus 1 unit, this is 1 unit, 2 unit, 3 unit, fourth unit. Don't say this is 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter. I didn't use any centimeter here, so I used what is that 2 centimeter as 1 unit. This is 1 unit only we need to call. Okay, now first root 5 in the sense we need to take some base. I'm right for because I'm going to draw one what is that right angle triangle on the number line. For that number right angle triangle in the sense we need some base and height. So how you will take height? Height always should be 1 unit. Any figure they given, I mean any value, any root value they asked here, you have to take 1 unit only. What we are taking 1 unit only as height, but base will be differ compared to the question. Suppose they given what is that root 2 they given now, you have to take the number 2 before what we have a perfect square 1, so 1 only you have to take as base. Suppose root 3 if you are taking now, root 3 before which is the perfect square now, again 1. So 1 only you have to take. 4 what is the no need to go for because 4 is a perfect square. So I'm going suppose 5 before which is the perfect square, number 4 root value what I have, that is 2. So 2 we have to take base. Understand? Suppose what is that root 10 if you are going now, 10 before perfect square 9 root value 3 you have to take for a root 10 11 13 like that. So base you have to select in same this manner. Understand? This is a rough work. Okay, now here we have the question root 5. So root 5 in the sense root 5 before value we have what is that 4. So 4 root value 2. So 2 only we have to take as base. Understand? So from the 2, from this point 2 we need to draw what is that 1 unit height. What is that 1 unit I taken as 2 centimeter. So in 2 centimeter I'm going to draw 190 degree line because this is right angle triangle, so 90 degree line I'm doing. That value should be accurate, then only you will get number value in correct way. Okay, so this is we got it. Okay, now from this point, so this is point O, this is 0. Here I'm giving the name O. This is point A and this is point B. From O to B we have to join the line because then only we'll get the right angle triangle. Okay, so that I'm going to join these two things. Just I'm joining this two like that. I'm joining here. So we got it one right angled triangle and this should be 90 degree. Okay, so here what is the base actually? OA is what is the length? OA is the 2 units. Okay, and what is the OA length? OA length I used as 1 unit. Understand? 1 unit I used here. That is very important. Now we need to find the root 5 on the number line. Where we need to find actually which is your root 5. Okay, now if you find the OB length, we will get it what is root 5. Shall we go for that? Now I'm going to use by Pythagoras theorem. Base we have what is that, that's I'll write later. Now by using Pythagoras theorem in what is that triangle, what is that OAB, so that OAB here A we have 90 degree because Pythagoras theorem we are using now, we need 90 degree first. So that write the formula now. OB square, because Pythagoras theorem is what actually in a right angle triangle, square of the hypotenuse side which is equal to sum of the square of the other two sides. Okay, now the OB is the hypotenuse, so OB square which is equal to sum of the square of the other two side, then OA square plus AB square. AB square. This is our Pythagoras theorem. Okay, now here we need to substitute the values. OA we know 2 units, so 2 square. Understand? OA I substituted 2 units, and AB we knows what is that length. AB where we have, what is that, here we have a 1 unit, so 1 you can substitute here. 1 we have square, so 1 square. 2 square in the sense 4, 1 square 1 only, 4 plus 1 5, so this is OB square. If we need OB length na, OB you can take here, this square goes to opposite, root 5. So root 5 is the length of a OB. So in the diagram you have to write what is that, root 5, OB which is equal to root 5 unit. We get it, root 5 unit, that is our length. So this root 5, this OB length only we need to find where in the number line. Okay, so that take compass. So from the O I'm keeping my, what is that, pencil edge. Next sorry, compass edge. B, in a B point I'm keeping my, what is that, pencil edge. So accurately you have to measure like this. After measured we have to draw one small arc. Okay, so I'm going to draw one arc like this. I did one arc now. I hope this is visible. Okay, so I did one arc here. Okay, and this is meted on the number line here. This is this point, small point. This point I'm taking as a C. So the point C is the required, what is that, root 5. Here C is root 5. Understand? So the point C is the root 5. That's it. So finally you have to write, therefore you have to write the point C is required root 5 on the number line, Understand? So this is the thing. So you have to do slowly what I am doing, what I said. So the diagram is very, very important. Through this diagram only we are getting this. Understand? Thank you. If you like this video, share with your friends. In the same manner we can able to do, what is that, this root 2, root 3 and root 10, many things. But when you are selecting the base is very important. So this you have to do slowly. Okay, thank you. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe for getting more videos and press the bell icon for getting notification.